On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram comments easy and fast. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone. As you can see right here, this is the settings page. Now go to the apps and then go to apps right here. Scroll until you find Instagram, and then all what you have to do now is very simple. Just click here on data usage, scroll until you find here, enable all those options, go back, click on this force stop option, and then all what you have to do is reopen Instagram and the problem must be fixed. If it's not, then all what you have to do is go to Play Store and search for Instagram and click here on update. Very easy and simple, as you can see. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end.